Hello guys, welcome back again to Lucy and Family Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to be making pineapple rice. So watch as I make this delicious dish. So first I'm going to start by seasoning my diced beef and chicken. I have in here my seasoning herbs, curry powder, nut cube, salt, and also my chopped onion. And after that I will spray some oil. You can skip this part if you wish. Next I'm going to mix. After mixing everything together, I'll cover and allow it to steam for about 10 to 15 minutes. 15 minutes later, I'll go ahead to add some water to my meat and allow it to cook until it becomes soft. So I'm going to be moving on to cutting my pineapple. And one more thing, if you are going to be using your pineapple skin to dish out your rice after making it, all you need to do is to cut your pineapple exactly the way I'm doing in this video. And if you don't wish to fancy up, just cut the pineapple as normal and slice them into small pieces. So once your meat is well cooked and soft, use your sieve and take it out from the meat stock. So to cook my rice now, I'm going to go ahead to heat up some vegetable oil. After that, I'll add my chopped onions, stir for a while, and after that, I'll go ahead to add my blended pepper, curry powder, and some salt, and I will keep stirring. So now I'm going to be adding my rice now. After adding, mix everything together. So for this recipe, I'm using a long basmati parboiled rice. Next is to add my meat stock. After adding, I will mix everything together, then cover the pot and allow it to cook until the rice becomes soft. So while my rice is still cooking, I'll go ahead to fry my meat. You can as well use fried egg for this recipe. I'm going to continue frying the meat until it turns light brown. So to grill my pineapple, I'm going to spray some vegetable oil in my non-stick pan, allow it to heat up, then after that I will add my diced pineapple. Make sure you stir your pineapple for the both sides to grill well, and after that take it out from your frying pan and set it aside. Next, I'm going to spray some vegetable oil into my frying pan. Then I will add in my diced green and red bell pepper, followed by my sweet corn. And after that, I will give it a quick stir before adding my mixed seasoning herbs and also adding some salt. After that, I will mix everything together before adding it to my rice now. Next, I will place my pot of rice on a medium heat. Then I will add in my fried vegetables, add in my pineapple and also my fried meat. And after that, I will use my spoon and stir it until everything is well combined together. And also, do not forget to check for salt and seasoning. If there is any need to add salt or any seasoning, you can add. So finally, I'm going to be adding my well chopped spring onion. And after that, I will stir with my spoon and make sure that everything is well mixed together. Then after that, take the rice off the heat and serve. Guys, as you can see now, my pineapple rice is ready. I'm serving this with my pineapple skin. You can also serve with your plate. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Subscription is free. And also like, comment and share this video.